Hi friend, can't believe that we're here. Where the time goes, and it's this time of the year. It's our fall collection finally here, and fall always our biggest launch of the year, and we are beyond excited to introduce you this year's lineup. We got a lot of crazy, great, good stuff for you, and I can't wait to reveal to you. It's gonna be several parts video because we have a lot of stuff to go through. I think you also will see a video where I reveal my fall monthly kit. This month we'll release the autumn pale, which is the monthly kit, but we also have those like individual big fall release. There will be fall sticker book, PETs, washi tapes, and even Halloween stuff. So stay tuned. I'm so excited, and you will be able to see first our fall sticker book and PET tapes, and then we'll have Halloween stuff for you. So excited. Comment below if you are a fall person and you always love our fall stuff. Don't forget, drop your email. We will have a wait list because we don't usually do wait list, but fall collection we definitely do. We'll put the information down below where you can join our fall wait list. When the product launch, you will be able to get freebies, special discount, all the glorious stuff. And the best part, if you join my Patreon, you get all of this plus more. So definitely check out my Patreon, check out the wait list. I cannot to see you at the fall launch. Hello friend, let's take a look at our brand new fall soft girl era Dear Autumn collection. Some of you may already familiar with this. In my soft girl era, it's a brand new collection that we come up this year. The spring collection is called the Chic and Lacy collection. As you can see here, feature all this beautiful lace, soft like cottage core type of style. And then for the fall, we are continue with our soft girl era collection, but this collection is called the Dear Autumn. And yeah, fall usually has always been our really popular season. Things always sell out pretty fast, and we just love creating fall stuff. So let's take a look at the sticker book. My soft girl era 30-page premium sticker book. The first few pages are all paper stickers. As you can see, we got the pumpkin, we got the rain, we got the pins, and those are like stamped frames with envelope, beautiful frames. This one we have styled in autumn. I just love how the design comes together. Even as simple as a box, we have put in thoughts to it to design it prettily. Those velvet bow, really pretty. The boxes, very pretty with those type of lace paper, and of course those animal prints. And this page also very pretty. Next page is a collage page with different beautiful combination together as one big sticker like this. So pretty. And a little bit washi here, washi strip, perfect for you decorating the journal or planner. Falling in love with quiet moments. As you can see, we have lots of vintage junk journal style stuff. Our hand-drawn girls are in here. They go perfectly together. She blooms softer in the fall, autumn. Again, this is a soft girl era collection, so it's just picture we have the soft girl era during the springtime, and then she is into her fall season. She was made for cozy seasons. Again, all our hand-drawn girls are here with their fall fashion. She's reading a book. She's doing some pumpkin picking, autumn, for a lot of vintage items. Here, the girl holding her pumpkin spice, maybe. There's some washi strips. This page, Golden Leaf, Gentle Dreams, A Soft Life, styled in autumn, Cozy, The Soul Needs Autumn. So to this page, those are washi paper. So this is washi material that you can peel and use as washi. So it's like semi-transparent. You can see you have 4 strips of washi here, and then you have this one is a big one, so perfect for background. And then this is 2 more ones with all the girls. One is the stripes. This page is a scrapbooking page, means it's a sheet of sticker that you can just peel and use for the background, some sort of. This one, same thing, but instead of the bow on the bottom, this one is on the side. This is great for waterfall tab, if you do waterfall tabs. This page is the letters and numbers in this watercolor type of font. This one is the, I'm not sure how do you describe this type of vintage, some sort of vintage font or letters like like this. Very unique. And then over here, this is cotton UV paper. We separate them into two collection with two sets of girls. So this set of girl is more soft, gentle, more like early fall. And then the second more like deeper fall, like maybe goes to October to November. As you can also see, the color palette goes darker a little slightly, and girls also different. This one we call it Autumn Library, which is more like book feature, more like inside reading, more for people who read. Lots of books around, library cards, those wax seals, pretty cool. Autumn Air Gentle Soul. You see the girls are different, right? This is collage sacks. It's a giant big sticker. Romanticize the slower days. Cozy. Those are PVC, which is transparent stickers. Also alongside with those like junk journal elements. This is a different kind of letters, more like a typewriter. Here is the washi paper. This one is a giant one. Some are really thick, great for background. Some are thinner that you can use as borders. I believe this one is really thin, quite thin, so you can use as border. Some thicker one like this you can use as a background. This is a scrapbooking paper for background. This is another one, collage page for backgrounds. This page is all the quotes, inspirational quotes such as autumn air, gentle soul, peace looks like fall days, pumpkin spice dreams. Lots of seasonal related quotes. And this makes the 30 sheet of a premium sticker book, the Dear Autumn collection. You can see all this thing lined up here. Yep, that's our soft girl era sticker book. Of course, we have to come up the matching PET box and washi box together. So I'll show you a swatch of all this, what it looks like. Do want to show you the back when you open the box, right? This is when you open it, and then the back of the box, she blooms softer in the fall. I just thought it's so cute, well designed, very thoughtful. And then when you open, we of course have this, the PET, that's another PET. Then we also have the washi. So I'll open them all so you can see what it looks like. Okay, let's do the swatches together. This one is the PET. As you can see, this has the bow on top of the laces, our signature soft girl era style. I'm deciding where should I do it. Maybe just do it here. Since this is a PET, so you have to actually use a knife or a scissor to trim it. Then you just peel, like you peel a tip. That's what it looks like. That's how the thickness goes. As you can see, it's very nice when you put on the bullet journal. I'm using our fairy tale treasure box journal, so it's a regular bullet journal size. Let's take a look at this thicker. It's a thicker washi, great for background. Any of those big washi are perfect for backgrounds. I'll put it here. And if you did it wrong, you can lift it easily, no problem. It's not gonna ruin your page. As you can see, it's also beautiful with that plaid and the lace trim together. So let's take a look. I did a little crooked. I'm gonna redo it. Maybe because I'm a Virgo, just wants to be straight. So next one, let's take a look. This one is more like a knitted chunky sweater type of a pattern. Very pretty. I love the color. It's like a perfect fall color. Even if you and then put them next to each other, on top of each other, still blend perfectly, right? It's very pretty together. Very cohesive. So that's this one. Then next one is this blue green stripe kind of fabric texture. It's also it's not like a very pop color. It's kind of soft. That's why they blend in perfectly. Next one is this very thin. I think it's 10 millimeter, and it's a texture of leather. It's leather texture. So pretty. The brown color and the green and this like yellow mustard, they all just perfect fall color palette. Even if you go with the other type of sticker or spread, this will still represent fall perfectly. And then the last one is our 65 millimeter 3.0 PT tape. As you can see, why I say it's 3.0 because we have 1.5 meter long repeat. Most brand only have 1 1 meter, but we have 1.5. That means give you more unique stickers, less of a repeat, but more unique stickers. As you can see, it has all the elements, not all, but most elements that's from the sticker book, but more. If you love fall, you do a lot of fall planning or journaling, this really give you lots of sticker available. Different variety. We have girls, we have elements, we have quotes, so really provide you this like abundance of inspiration, creativity. So as you can see from here to here is the repeat. This is how long our PET is, 1.5 meter long repeat versus most brand are 1 meter. So you definitely get way more variety of stickers. So as you can see, this is our Dear Autumn collection PET box. Our PET washi box always sell out really fast because they just give you so many variety of washi and stickers to plan. And we don't usually stock many of this. So if you want to grab, definitely grab this collection or a bundle that will give you lots of options for your fall planning. So this is our Dear Autumn collection in this soft girl era, big umbrella. It's like umbrella collection, and then Dear Autumn is our fall this year. And continue with our story from our last one, which is the spring collection. This is the Dear Autumn collection. So that's our fall, and stay tuned for my next video where I'll show you some PET tips and washi tips.